Hello all. Good evening. Thank you for joining this call. And we are from NoviTech. We are mainly into the projects like main projects, BTech and MTech projects, and for job session as well. Especially we are in mainly DevOps, cloud, and the booming technologies. We will give the training and job related guidance for the freshers and experience as well. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, and let me start today topic Jenkins installation, and Jenkins we'll discuss about the Jenkins on this video. Let me introduce about Jenkins. Jenkins is a open source tool which we can use to deploy, to build and to build the application, to deploy the application, to validate the application. So with the help of Jenkins tool, we can build and we can deploy, we can able to validate the application. When I say application means again we need to jump into the some real time. Let us say let me open HDFC. Any one of the client you can take. This is the HDFC banking site. So for example, they are having so many applications. When you click on, when you hit the hdfcbank.com on the internet, so we'll having the NRI and SME, wholesale, agriculture, welcome page. So coming to the down, we'll have so many pages. By clicking this, so many pages, it is coming automatically, which means whenever you are going to hit the browser with the application name, so the page will comes automatically. So this is the process of application level. So whenever, for example, if we can consider some e-commerce website. E-commerce website means, for example, like we have in India Flipkart, Snapdeal, and so many, like recently the Jio also entered into the e-commerce, JioMart. And so with the help of this, for example, if we have some big billion days or some special days is there, some offers they will provide. So in that means when in the time of offers, they will do like for example in Flipkart website, so rapidly the pages will comes and goes like that. The pages needs to become especially offers they will tell us. So in the applications electronics means they will give the offer, so many offers. So in that time the pages should come automatically whenever the user will click. So this process is going to be called as application deployment. As mainly for CSC students, they know about the application development and deployment and application validation especially. So these kind of things they need to do backend. So in this picture, Jenkins will do automation. So when I say automation means, for example, for a company, let us consider Walmart. Walmart is a company which is operating in US mainly and worldwide as well. So they are having Walmart data center and so many locations. For example, in the Walmart website, they are going to deploy one application. Okay, so before going to deploy, they will test their application in the test environment, not in the production environment. So Walmart having worldwide developers, let us say Europe, Asia and Australia, and for Europe they are having so many developers for Walmart employees. When I say developers, they are employees for Walmart. So the Walmart management will tell to the technical team that so and so date we have some offers and I need the Walmart website like this on that particular date. So like that the Walmart management will tell to the developers, and the developers and the product technical architect, those guys will develop that application based upon the requirement of the management. So when the worldwide developers will deploy the application, develop some modules, some pieces of module to the Jenkins, and Jenkins will build the one application, single application. With the help of Jenkins, we can able to deploy application as well. Yeah, this is why Jenkins will use. Without Jenkins, the process will be looks like let us say this is one module. In the application we have 10 modules, means one application, one module will develop by the US team, and second module will develop by the Europe team, and third module will develop by some Australia team, and so fourth and fifth, sixth module will develop by rest of world team. So they will send email to the like the sequence. Based upon that sequence, the first I will send email to the some Europe person, and second to the US person. So like that the process will lengthy. So finally the end of the person will build that particular project. So this it will take some lot of time and lot of energy, lot of productivity, and lot of wastage of all the human resource. So because of that, the word called automation came into the picture. So worldwide developers will develop their application, and they will push their application into the Jenkins, and from the Jenkins to Jenkins automatically build, and from Jenkins to they will automatically deploy to the Walmart servers. When I say servers, so Walmart having some thousands of servers. This is the one advantage of the Jenkins. And the second advantage of the Jenkins is when I say the deployment means as you know, application deployment. Application deployment means, so Walmart having for example some client having they are having the latest build, and with the help of that build they need to deploy that particular application. So in order to deploy that application, for example in production systems they are having some 100 of production systems is there. So we need to copy the latest build into the 100 applications by manually, like copy, we need to copy manually. So with the help of this kind of automation tools like Jenkins, Ansible, and Docker, and these kind of tools, we can deploy the application with single click. When I say single click means single command, that's it. You need to update that command and click on enter, that's it. So automatically the deployment of the file latest bundle will deploy into the 100 servers at a time. So here we don't have, here we have two advantages. One is human mistake will not be there here, and another mistake is another thing is advantage is there is no errors. For example, if we consider a human mistake, for example manually we are copying the file into the 1, 2, 3 individual systems, means sometimes human will make some mistakes, and that mistake will goes into the production. When the production goes wrong, means the business will impact. When I say the business, it should be like billions or millions based upon the MNC and service provider on into the market. So that the application development and the deployment is a very crucial role will provide into the software industry, and moreover many jobs and many positions, many designations are working on this particular area called development and deployment and testing part, and finally support part. So like this will be there. So I can say like Jenkins is one of the tool in the automation, and it is not it won't do any like complete automation, it won't do, and it has some pros and cons as well. And so yeah, we'll discuss in this part, in this session we will discuss about Jenkins installation and Jenkins start and stop, and we'll build we will build one small application with the help of Jenkins. Okay, so this is all about the introduction of the Jenkins. So when I say Amazon Linux means, today we will discuss this session in the Amazon. This is Amazon Web Services. This is my AWS console. So I believe you people are familiar with the AWS. And end of this session, please provide your doubts and any kind of information you required. just post into the comment box. Yeah, this is my AWS console, and in this console currently I have logged into with the help of this user, and my servers are located in North Virginia, and this is the data center locations for Amazon Web Service US East. In the US they are having 1 2 3 4 locations. In Africa they are having 1 location, and Asia Pacific, when I say Asia Pacific, 1 2 3 4 5 6 locations they are having the data centers. And Canada and Europe they are having this many data centers, and Middle East and South Africa. So this is related to the cloud part. So cloud is different than today topic, and today we will build our application like Jenkins into the cloud. This I will explain. Yeah, this is a simple dashboard, I can say, for Amazon Web Services. So here we can use the service called EC2. When I say EC2 means it is Elastic Compute Cloud. So this is like simple Linux box. Simple Linux box means like we have Linux and Windows machines. So now we are going to deploy our Jenkins in one Linux box. So this is the EC2 dashboard. Currently I don't have any running instances. When I say instances, this is means server, and Elastic IPs, these kinds of will stuff come into the picture when we create the server. Okay, so yeah, we all set for Linux mission start, and just click on EC2 and just go to the dashboard EC2. Click on running instances. Currently we don't have any instances running, so just click on launch instance. Currently once again I am using free tier account, and this is not for payable. And Amazon Web Services, for your information, Amazon Web Services is providing the 1 year free tier for students and graduates and whoever research scholars. When you come into the picture like company, so you need to buy the products. So just click on free tier. Step 1 is choose an Amazon machine image, which means the OS. I can say a simple kind of thing. It is an OS. So Amazon Web Services providing so many OS like Linux machines, and these are Amazon Linux, and this is Amazon Linux, this is Red Hat, and this is SUSE Linux, and this is Ubuntu, and then Microsoft Windows Server. These are Windows servers. So these are Ubuntu server. So these many kind of in free tier they are using. Yeah, you can use as your wish, and for now I'm going with Amazon Linux machine, which HVM SSD volume type. Click on select. This is 64-bit. Yeah, just select your OS, and then we'll go for the, this is called choose an instance type. When I say instance type, micro instance are eligible for AWS free usage. So this is called processor. So when you click, automatically come into the picture general purpose and T2 micro. T2 micro represent T2 micro having the variable ECUs and one CPU, and the processor speed is 2.5 gigahertz, and the Intel Xeon family processor, 1 GB memory, and EBS value. So this is the like simple specification of T2 micro, and just select and go for configure instance details. And here you can give number of instances. I need only one at this moment, and this is network, subnet, automatic. This is coming to the different picture. So just leave about the default values. When we touch these things, it will definitely will give some like trouble for us, like network and subnet. This topic is different. We'll discuss in the next video or another video. So just for now I am going to click instance only one here, and just go to next, add storage. When I say storage, it means it's our EBS volume. So like I can say like this is the like hard disk of this machine. So default they will give 8 GB. If you want you can increase also, no problem. And click on go for next, add tags. So here tags you can add, if you want you can add, or else you can add later as well, and go for configure and security group. So here I will add some rules, some 8080, sorry, https. When I say http and https, these are the external user. When we deploy one application into this Linux machine, so some external we will call this application with the help of these ports. So that's why I'm just opening these ports. 8080 anywhere, click on review launch, improve instance, just ignore this one. Yeah, this is the final review and launch. So we are ready to launch the instance. This is the OS which we have selected earlier. This is the T2 micro. This is for processor related things, and these are the security groups which we have created, and this is the instance details, only one we require at this moment. And this is the storage, and for storage 8 GB they are having. And coming to the tags, we don't have any tags at this moment, and click on launch. Just choose an existing key pair, create new key pair, create is Jenkins, or else auto, simply new key. I will give the name for new key and click on download key pair. So this is a newly key pair which we have downloaded. With the help of this key, we can able to log in into the server. Okay, and then go for launch instance. Our server is creating. So if you want, you can check the logs. Successful instance is created right now. And then go for view instances, and yeah, our instance is getting ready. Currently it is at pending state, and it will take some for a while to get running state. So meanwhile we have some work, like we need to create one page like downloads, and this is the new key we have downloaded right now. Yeah, copy this key and then go to the desktop, just paste here. This is the pen format key. We need to convert this pen into the private key. For this you need to have puttygen session. Just load this key, just go to desktop, and then where it is, under the new folder, select this one, all files, open this one, click on OK, and then save private key. Yes. Give same name for this. Yeah, just new key, put save, and then that's it. So here we have the new key.ppk format. This file we required when we log in into the server. Yeah, our server is ready, which is up and running. I hope all you are following me, and let me give the tag for here, Jenkins server. This is just name, come, and this is simply for server name, that's it. So this is our server. The IP address of the server is this one, 54.147.255 and 140. This is the IP address of the server, and this server is currently created in US East region, availability zone, and yeah, this is the details about server owner, security group, and server launch time. A new key monitoring is separate topic, we'll discuss later. And this is IP address. So this is a simple stuff about the server. Yeah, let me log in into the server with the help of public key. Okay, just go to the putty session, click on putty, and then here paste your public IP, and then go to the SSH and click on auth, and then here you can browse the ppk file which we have generated right now. Click on open. That's it. Click on S and then click on ec2-user. This is the default user which we are going to use, to log in into the ec2 instance. Okay, so yeah, I let me increase the settings size, appearance change. I will go for 16 bold. Okay, apply. Yeah, I believe everyone able to see my this tab. Yeah, this is my Linux machine, so we are all set. So host name, yeah, this is the host name. Currently I am into the ec2 user. Just go to the root user. Now I'm in root user. This is root user directory, present working directory. Go to the back. So these are the what we can say, this is the Linux file systems. I believe you guys know about the file systems, where user temp, this kind of, these are the Linux system, Linux file system. And as we discussed earlier, so they have given the size, this is 8 GB data for EBS volume, like dev slash, this is a file system type. And for free iPhone image, so this is the memory they are given for 1 GB right now. 203 MB is used and free is 782 MB. So this is the basic stuff about the instance, Linux instance. Okay, let me jump into the Jenkins. So we'll install Jenkins. Yeah, sudo Jenkins is like currently Java version. We need to check for installation of Jenkins. We need Java. Let me check the Java -v version. So we need to check with the help of Java -version, and just sudo install Java means if you don't have Java, it will install the Java. That's it. Let me remove the Java. Currently, let me try to remove the Java. Sudo or else whatever you want. If you want, you can continue with actually 1.6 more than enough. So currently we have 1.7. so Java is ready for us. And then we need to install some repos before going to install Jenkins. Just click copy this thing and repos got installed. And this thing just copy paste here. Yes, repos, this is the repos, this is Java version. And where we can yeah, sudo wget, this is called repo. So this is a repo installation, and this is for the Jenkins.iok installation. So this is the prerequisite for Jenkins. One is Java, another one is repo installation. So then we are all set for Jenkins installation. So click on yum install Jenkins. Now sudo not required since we are in the root user. Yeah, I'm in the root user. We don't require sudo here. And click on yum install Jenkins. That's it. Click on yes. Yeah, Jenkins 2.257 version is going to be installed. Yeah, Jenkins is installed, completed successfully. And then we'll go for sudo service start. Now that's it. We'll start the Jenkins. That's it. Installation and start the Jenkins. These two things only we'll having. So for now we have installed the Jenkins. Yeah, so now we'll start the Jenkins service. Start Jenkins. Start Jenkins. Sorry for the we just entered into the wrong space. Service Jenkins start. We need to give the command service Jenkins start. So Jenkins is going to be started. Yes, Jenkins. Yeah, Jenkins is started. Okay, and now we need to go for IP address. Take this IP address and click on here. Click on 8080. Jenkins is running on 8080. Okay, so Jenkins required 8 version, so we need to remove the Java 8 version. So for that we need to install Java 8. Yeah, just install Java 8. Yes. This is the simple command, and now Java 8 is installed. Now we'll check Java. Now latest version of Java is installed, and we need to once again install the Jenkins so that we can able to access the page. You mean like Java page, JDK, Jenkins installation page. So that this is the things we can able to follow the prerequisite and we can say like prerequisite of the project, so that we can able to proceed further. Okay, so now we'll go for Jenkins. We'll start once again Jenkins with the help of service Jenkins start. Let me remove this Java which is existing one. Remove Java from Amazon Linux. So before going to, since we are running 7 version, it is getting trouble for us, and for that this is remove Java sudo. That's it. Actually we don't require sudo here. That's it. And current Java version is Java 1.8 Java is there, and we'll start Jenkins. Yes, now it is started without any error. So like that you need to debug the process. So when we did here, it is saying that something like you need Jenkins required Java 8 version, but you are running with Java 7. So that kind of errors you will get, obviously. So then Jenkins is running, and go for our public page. Sorry, go for this with the help of public IP. 54.147.255.140 is our IP. /88 is nothing but it's a port where the Jenkins is going to be run. Okay, so now you can copy this path. Like unlock Jenkins means some admin password is there, so you need to copy this path, which is located in server. So this is the password you need to enter here. Just Jenkins is started and we are going to configure the Jenkins password. And here you don't need to save this page, and install plugins as suggested. Click on here, that's it. So it will take for a while to install the plugins. When I say plugins, so these are the like so these are the plugins. They will automatically run. So here you can give your username. For now I will give NoviTech, and password I will give something, confirm password, and full name NoviTech, and email address, that's whatever you want you can give, that's no choice. Save and continue, and username is very important. Create first admin user. So just remember this thing. Go to the notepad, just save this thing and save and finish, that's it. Start using Jenkins. Jenkins is ready. Yeah, this is the Jenkins, what we can call Jenkins homepage. Okay, this is my user. If you want to log out, you can log out, and this is a new item, and then yeah, you can do anything. So this is a Jenkins homepage, new item. So these kind of things we'll having. So we will create Jenkins one small build project. Okay, yeah, this is, if you want to stop the Jenkins, you can go service Jenkins stop. Yeah, Jenkins is stopped. If you want, you can reload this page. Yeah, the site cannot be reached, so which means Jenkins service is stopped. Okay, so let me start the Jenkins once again. strt start. Jenkins is starting, and then go for, just hit this browser. So you mean 54.147 to 55 and 140 is the IP address. So this is the IP address, you can say IP address of this particular Linux machine. So Jenkins, please wait while Jenkins is getting ready to work. This is the thing. Here give your username. For now I will give my username NoviTech, and password is which we have created just now. That's the password. Yeah, that's it. So this is how you need to log in into the user. Yeah, now simple, will create one particular job, new item, click on go new item, and click on freestyle project. Here you can give my first project, my first project. Click on OK. So you can give this is my first, sorry, this is a simple description, and then now come to the down. So click with the help of execute shell. This is a simple shell script. Click on shell here. So for now I'll go to the shell. Just I want to know the date of the system. Click on save. So this is the dashboard. So here my first project is there, and this is my first project. Edit description, this is my description, and configure means, so this is the configuration page of my project. This is the date which I have given. Yeah, that's it. Apply and saved. Yeah, this is the thing how we need to create the project. I have created my first project. This is my, click on here, you'll go to the Jenkins home page. This is the home page. So here SML, two types of like the colors will come. So S is nothing but like successful, and let me W for warning, and let me build this project so that we can able to give the output of this project. Click on here, build now. It's done, the project has built. Then just refresh the page. When you say here S means success, our project is success. Now we need to check the output of this project, and go to here. We need to check the console of this project. So when we say console of the project, go for my projects like my build history. Yeah, this is a build history, and go to the project, click on this project, and for this project 1 minute 10 seconds ago we have built this project. So after this build this project, go to the console output. So which means the date command has executed in the system, success. So means if you want, you can give here date. So the date is Friday, September 18, 13, 12 and 43 UTC. So this system is running under UTC time zone. So for now the date output came like this, Friday 2nd. So the whatever the output which is came. So when we hit the browser, the time is 1 p.m. So this is how the build has got finished. So this is the simple project we need to build. So with the help of Jenkins tool, we are going to pull the output of this particular server. Got it? So with the help of Jenkins, we can able to do anything on some remote server. So this is how Jenkins will use. So let me create the new project, second project, second project, freestyle project. click on OK. Click on OK, then go to the here. You can write any kind. This is my second project. This is my second project. That's your wish. Here execute shell. We can give the options here. We can execute shell and Windows shell from Ant script and run with timed out. These kind of things you can do. And execute shell, go for command here. Simple, I want to know the host name of this particular server. Okay, and then click on apply, save, click on save, and go to the dashboard. This is the dashboard. This is my second project. Just click on here and build now. That's it. Hit the build now and the build is going to be run. So then just refresh your browser. So success, this our build is success. My second project build is success. So which means then go to this project. Once again go to this project and here go to the here last build. Go to here and console output. Yeah, this is host name like IP 172.31.32 and 16. This is my host name. If you want, you can check here host name IP 172.31.32.16. IP 172.31.32.16. This is the simple build. Okay, like this is simple project, a small project which we can do. Coming to my first project, so let me build once again. Build now. Click on build now. So you mean, so we have built this project 4 minutes back and now also we did. Okay, now the system will pull the latest date. Okay, so that we can able to get the access latest output. And then click on here, go to the project, my first project, and 24 seconds ago we have built the new project. So click on new project, console output, go to the console output, we got the date and finished. Okay, so let me check the date now. So Friday, September 18, 13, 16, 35 UTC 2020. So this is the date. So this is how you need to build the projects. Got it? So this is Jenkins and simple projects. You can, so in that way you can create many projects, you can delete, and you can play around with the Jenkins. So Jenkins is it's a very crucial and very good tool we are using in the DevOps section in the real-time IT industry. That's keep in your mind, and just will check the basic stuff about Jenkins. If you want to grab the process of Jenkins, psfnf grep java. So this is Java process is nothing but Jenkins is running with the help of Java. So this is the Java process. So you can check the like Jenkins home path and Jenkins related stuff on this particular location. Go to the log location, Jenkins log. I want to check the logs. Okay, go to here, and then so Jenkins log is there. Just open the log. Open here. So Jenkins is running. So we don't have any issues with this Jenkins. Okay, so first project, if you have any kind of those kind of things, you can able to check the status in the logs as well. So in the real-time industry, like if you are working in one MNC, so there if you have some issues and if you have any kind of errors we got while time of build, so you can grab the logs with the help of this command. Okay, and this is how you need to grab the logs. Let me grab -i errors in the log with the help of this command. so I don't have any errors in this particular log. Okay, so like this, great -I running, and means, no, sorry for this, and Jenkins, click on hi means running means I got some details about running on this. So Jenkins is fully up and running, so this message I got, and so this kind of stuff we can see with the help of keyword running. So like this, you need to check the logs, especially when you got a job into the MNC or some software company. So these kind of things you can able to check. And currently we are in this location. I will tell about the configuration section. Go to Jenkins, Jenkins home path. This is the log path, and go for this. Here, see, you can Jenkins home path. Okay, go to this. So here you can see, yeah, this is the stuff you can see about Jenkins, nodes, user account, logs, plugins, workflow, updates, users, secrets, jobs, workspaces. So these kind of things you can see. Let me open workspace. Let's have here. Yeah, this is my first project and this is my second project. So we have built two projects right now. So these kind of two projects related stuff we can able to see here. My first project. This is the file we can see. So for each project the file is going to be generated here. So nothing will be there in this project, but for project related thing you can see here like this. Okay, so we don't have any information here. So this is how you need to install. So what we have done right now, so guys, I believe you are following me. Do we need sorry, Linux? Okay, let me open my comment section. So finally, in the glance, I will give, this is the Java installation, and this is repo installation, and this is for Jenkins installation. And you can install Jenkins, and you can start Jenkins, and you can stop Jenkins. That's it. This is localhost, and that's it. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. This is how you need to do work on Jenkins. Let me open my comment section. Configure to get the project window. So yeah, that's what I told. So first you need Java, and then just you need repo installation, and then go for start your Jenkins. That's it. Once again from Shantanu Chakravarti, do we need install Linux? Yeah, this is Linux machine, you know. So this is my Linux machine. So uname means it's a voice version. Uname -a. So this is my Linux machine. So you need you can install Jenkins in Windows or Linux, that's your choice, but most of the companies are using Linux machines only for the purpose of security and updates reasons. Okay, so then let me open my section. Guys, if you have any doubts, you can post the doubts in our comment section, so that we will check and we'll give the doubts, like we will clarify your doubts. And then once again we have, let me open live chat. How we supposed to get local host? I can say local host means, when I say local host, this is the local host. This is a host name, right? This is, for now we have, this is my Linux machine which is running on this particular IP address. This is my local host. So at this moment, so this is local host is nothing but a current IP of the system which we have running. Yeah, attended previous session but did not get the certificates. Yeah, we'll give, don't, definitely will give, don't worry about that. How we are supposed to get local host? Yeah, click on just local host, that's it. And which software we need to configure the project window, yeah, which we have discussed earlier. Guys, any doubts, just let me know. uh, yeah, good evening all. And then yeah, that's it. I can't see much details about any comment sections. Yeah, please, I will suggest for any students, and you can start your Linux machine, and uh, you can deploy your Linux machine, and you can deploy our Java and then Jenkins, and start your build your today itself. It is like only 5 to 10 minutes work. And if you know, for freshers especially, so it will be very useful for the freshers, like these kind of things. When you build your resume, it will give the some weightage of your resume, and so that there is a there is a many much more chances to get the IT job as soon as possible. So when you come from the university, and then immediately you need to get the job, means like you need to prepare one resume. In that resume you have some different qualities. Suppose freshers, you don't have anything, means this is not kind of world right now. With the help of like freshers, they won't take easily. So we need some special qualities. You can learn for now. I have done for free source itself. So you can create your own account in AWS, and click the AWS, sorry, create your account in AWS, and create one Linux or Windows machine, and then install Java, and then install Jenkins. That's it. Everything you can put into your resume. So these kind of things. Then DevOps, we have Ansible, and we have Docker, we have Kubernetes, and we have SVN, and we have Git and Maven. So many kind of Ansible, many kind of tools we have, like DevOps tools. So you can put into your resume. So definitely there may be much more chances to get the IT job. And best of luck, guys. And for please subscribe our channel for coming for next videos, and then improve your communication skills, because it will help to the to crack the IT job. And then do teamwork, because when you got the job, so you don't have any single person. You will deploy into the one particular team, so that the team, you need to work with the team. So don't be like single one. So it should be teamwork. So each and every project, when I say earlier of this project in this session, so worldwide some team is there. So each team is developing some particular project. So enter this project will going to be club at one particular position. So from there, that project will come into the Jenkins, and Jenkins will build that particular project. And that particular build that we can able to help of the Jenkins or remaining tools also is there. We can deploy into the production or UAT or testing systems. So like this, the IT world is currently running. So that guys, be ready and crack the jobs. Thank you for watching.